Hello traders, welcome back to today's EA review on the Forex gig. Today we are looking at the Superior Trader for MetaTrader 5 listed on the MPO5 market for $499, published by a Hotkey Dash from Slovakia. The same developer published a few other systems, and that core index portfolio he talks about a lot. Let's walk through what the page actually claims and then look at how it behaved in a real backtest. But before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. The developer says Superior Trader is one of the system he personally uses and keeps inside his core index. Let's see here. It runs two strategies at the same time: trend pullback trading strategy and a local reversal system. The idea is that when the market is trending, the trend model does the work and the reversal model stays quiet. And when the market is ranging or choppy, the reversal model kicks in and the trend side takes a break. As I claims, it can keep drawdowns relatively low across different market phases. On the trend side, it describes it as trading pullbacks inside an already established trend. The price retraces, as you can see here. When it starts, the price retraces. Then when it starts moving again in the direction of the main trend, the EA opens. On the reversal side, it's looking for local intraday extremes and betting that price will come back toward the mean. Average trade is listed around 18 to 20 hours. And the live signal that is linked, you can see here, shows roughly 22 hours average hold time, which lines up. Let's see here. As we can see on the chart. Now, he also talks about a multi-adaptation algorithm that automatically adjusts key parameters to recent market conditions. And he says he personally monitors performance and updates the main settings every 6 months so the robot doesn't go stale. Now, it was published in June 2026, so we don't know about that. But it's hard. This is 2.1 version right now. And the live signal that is attached has been running since April 2026. As of the latest numbers, it shows about 7.3% growth on roughly $1,000 starting capital. Profit factor at 57.4. Maximum balance drawdown for about 16% and maximum drawdown of 8.9%. Now let's move over to the marketed features and settings. Now the time frame recommended M15, and you can use it on this instrument, or mainly be using it on the EURUSD for the backtest. Leverage any no martingale and no grid trading. And recommended starting capital of 200. Consider average trade duration I was telling you about. With a recommended account type raw or ECN. Now I've already gone through the signals. So let's look at what happened when I ran it myself. I tested Superior Trader on EURUSD M15 from August 2025 to August 2026 using everything based on real tick modeling, a $10K deposit 1:100 leverage, and so on. We have our back test. We have a net loss after running it of $620. Profit factor 0.82 below 1. Recovery factor in the negatives. Truly disappointing. We also had other negative shots that had our Sharpe ratio. Balance drawdown of 8.75. Equity drawdown of 8.99. Now our win rate was 56%. It doesn't matter since we ended up with loss. Average profit trade 40, average loss 64. Although our largest profit trade was higher than our largest loss trade. Still, looking over to the equity curve, you see it starts near the starting balance, climbs a bit early, and then spends most of the year grinding sideways to lower with a few sharper drops and only partial recovery, as we can see here, and ending below our starting equity, like $100 below our starting equity by the end of the trade of the backtest. Now comparing that with the developer's live multi-pair signal, let's go over to it. You can see the single pair backtest is clearly weaker. The live signal is barely profitable with a 1.06 profit factor, and the Euro USD only test is underwater. Now it's 1-to-1 reward to risk plus a mid-50s win rate doesn't leave a lot of room once real spread and costs are factored in. The multi-pair approach on the live account is probably what keeps the equity drawdown low there, because losses on one pair can be offset by others. Now honestly, the edge looks thin. Historical results on the live signal are only mildly positive, and the single pair backtest went negative. You can sit in drawdown for long stretches, and because the average hold is almost a full day, it will be exposed to overnight swaps and the occasional news spike. There's also worth noting that there's no news filter mentioned on the page. Now, who is this actually for? Now, traders who already run a diversified basket of systems and are comfortable with low single digit monthly expectation and want a non-grid, non-martingale component they can size very small. Profile traders who need clean risk rules might also look at it, but only if you are willing to monitor and keep risk low. Now, if you need smoother equity or higher returns, this one probably isn't going to deliver that based on the numbers we have so far. As a full picture of the Superior Trader, if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robots you want me to test next. And don't forget that free Forex robot with a bunch of indicators and candlestick patterns waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.